coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my latest collaboration with Beebeecraft. If you have been watching my channel, you will know that I have had numerous collaborations with them. I absolutely adore the products they have on their website, and I'm really happy to work with them. This is the stuff that I have picked out for my latest order from them, and I do have an entire Beebeecraft playlist on my channel if you want to see back to all of the things that I've got from them over the years. You can check a look at that. So let's start with this. Looks like the most seasonal thing to do. This is a Halloween set of silver charms, and it's great. One thing that I've noticed that when I create with Halloween supplies, I actually often gravitate towards silver to go with the collection. Like if you look at this here, silver is the color that coordinates as opposed to gold. Although I have thrown a gold and yellow dangle on the side here, and I almost was wondering how it would look if I incorporated some of these into this. I don't mind mixing metals. It's like, these are really big actually. This is the nice thing about being able to see the videos, because then you can get a real idea for size. And these are not metal, but this one's not. This one is. So some of them are metal. This one's not metal, but all the other ones seem to be. That's strange. Usually anytime I've ordered things, they've all been a consistent material. Anyway, there's bats and skulls, claws and owls, spider webs. Oh, a witch. Here's a skull that is metal. That's so strange. I wonder if that one ended up in here by accident. No, there's another one. No, this one feels metal. And then there's a really cute pumpkin. I wonder if there's any other pumpkins. I love that. That's really cute. Oops. Anyway, all kinds of different charms in here. There's a witch. It's pretty cool. That spider web's awesome. This is like a fairy. A really great variety of things. And look at this, a different kind of owl. An actual little spider. Good variety, different sizes, like different sizes of owls, different sizes of spider webs, different shapes of spider webs. So, quite fun. And it comes in a great little carrying case that I can keep organized. Well, let's go to the next case like that. I really love when they come in these little cases because it makes them easy to use, easy to store, and sometimes I might take them out of their packaging and put them into something else, but then I would always find a use for these little tiny boxes because they're so handy. Okay, so these are from NBeads as well. So when you go to Beebeecraft, the amazing thing about their website is that they are like the main hub that hosts all these other great sites like NBeads and Crayspire, Stunning Cycle. So it's a really good one-stop shop for finding lots of great products all in one, and they just ship to you all the same. Okay, so here's what's inside this cute little packet. So it comes additionally in a little bag. Pour some out so you can see the different sort of butterflies and dragonflies. All my favorite kind of colors. I love pastels. Ooh, this is an amazing match for Sweet Stories. They have that blue and white, pink, yellow. Anyways, all the green, purple, lavender kind of purple. Really a fantastic mix. So I'll leave links down below for all of these if you're interested. Now at least you get a chance to see the style, the material, how they're packaged. And you can use code POCA5 to save $5 off your order if you spend $40. Shipping has been really good for me as well. So these ones don't say they're from N Beads, but they are a similar sort of charm to the last one. And these ones are snowflakes. And I am going to have a lot of use for these. So I kind of wanted to see, and let's go through. I have a hard time using multicolor anything because you have to find something that are exactly those colors. At least I like to find exactly those colors, but those are very beautiful color combination. It's a challenge though because you've got like very specific shades of some darker kind of colors. Like if it was just yellow, white, and pink, and even that blue, no problem. Red, yeah, I mean, it's not going to be a terrible color for me to try to match in with some of the products that I wanted to use. But about half of them, I believe, are those colorful ones. And then the other is a combination of white, pink, very fine pink. Like you can barely see the difference in tone between the pink one and the white one. Like it's just a very, very subtle difference. And in fact, when I hold it up, it's not really even picking that difference on the camera. But you can see the difference in colors, the white compared to the pink. So white, pink, kind of a thing. So anyway, so these are nice neutral colors. And I mean, you can easily then pair something like that together. And even like all three of those could pair nicely together on one of my dangles. I've got some really fun projects to share that I am making for Christmas that I had intended to use these for. So that's that. And then, oh yeah, we've got this other one here. Okay, so inside these, so this is a jewelry making kit for earrings specifically. Jewelry, it just says DIY jewelry. And there are earrings. And then inside are these yummy, delicious looking items. In fact, let's sort of clear this out. And let's pour them out onto here so you can see them all. And how many you get. Really good combination of lollipops. So these are really cute. I'm super happy with these. Some of those things in there. Okay. So we've got like these heart-shaped lollipops. I love those. They look like real candy. Like all made of acrylic and purple. This is like one of my favorite colors. Like teal sort of thing. So 2 pink, 2 purple, and 2 teal. Lots of those guys. And we've got all kinds of these lollipops. So this actually, because like what else would you use these dark kind of colors for? They're not really black. Look like more of like a root beer kind of color. But this would be something that I could dangle off with a Halloween dangle, because that would blend in well. So you got a couple of those dark ones. Otherwise I wouldn't find a great use for those. But yellow would be easy to use. It just brushes off there. It's just a little piece of something stuck to it. These ones are cute. These pink ones are my favorite, of course. Like, when is pink not my favorite? And then there's these, oh, there's the 2 red ones. And then there's these little strawberries. The same on both sides. That's a nice thing. This is maybe like a pineapple. And the same on both sides. So it's nice to get a good look. Of those, and then there's a green pair as well. Not sure what that's supposed to represent, the green ones. Anyway, so that's cute. That's that set there. And then the last thing that I've ordered is this really cute set. I want to know if this is elastic. I believe that it is. Ooh, yes. So I'm really happy that this is elastic because I'll make things like I didn't make this one specifically, I've made books like this, and it has this elastic that I use to keep things like these books shut. So that is awesome, that you can use that elastic sort of material for keeping books and stuff closed as you create them, as opposed to on here, because here I have plans of what I'm going to do. I really like putting these on safety pins or creating little wire wrapped beads with various names and stuff. And so I went with like a neutral. They had lots of choices as far as color goes. So I went with a neutral black and white, because that way it could suit any occasion and it would really stand out. So like this here, if I wanted to add this on in black and white, even though there's not really a lot of black in my project, but there's enough pink in here, and then the black and white would really stand out, and then you could add a little pink star before and after the word if you had space or whatever. So I think that that will make a really neat project. So here are all the letters. So again, a good mix of letters in black and white. I see lots of vowels. That's the thing that you get with anything. Anytime you get alphabets of stuff, you have the challenge of trying to make words with all of the alphabets that you have. And here are a set of colorful white letters, and I think, or the letters are colorful, the beads are white. I think what I would do in this, I don't usually like to have things that are mixed color, but we just look and see if it was all like colors coming with something that had all the same colors of this. Like if I wanted to pull in the red, the yellow, and the purple, and I had that all in someone's short name, I could make something like that with those, and then add like a little fun black and white charms on the end. You needed fillers, but again, there's all the different hearts, the black and white hearts, those outlined hearts, the stars, and then the full colored hearts. And then there's also this cute little storage pouch, which is a nice addition that they've added in here. You could use this to store some of your products, or you could use it even to gift some of the things that you made with it. So that would be cute. Or you could put a little tiny gift, like a little lip balm or something in there, and then make a safety pin with the girl's name that you were giving it to, or boy's name, or whomever, and tie it up and pin it right on there. So that would be a cute little gift idea as well. So there you go. And the total value for all these things that I just showed you was worth around $40, I believe. So if you were picking up these same kind of things, you would save $5 off, and the links will be below. So thank you so much for watching. Come back and see all the creations that I make with these newest charms and letters. Thanks so much for watching. See you again next time.